Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first time making a cooking video. I'm not a pro at even making biryani, but I've learned this recipe and I really like it, and it's super quick and easy. Anybody can make it. You don't have to be this. You can get the ingredients from Walmart, from any Indian, Pakistani store around you. I hope you guys like this recipe and I hope you guys try it. Please let me know how you like it. So we're gonna start off with boiling the rice. I like to do this and get it out of the way. We're a big family, so we're gonna make a lot. We're gonna make about 3 glass bowls. I know there's no exact measurements. It just really depends how much you want to eat. Just gonna put a little bit of cumin seeds, a little bit of salt, and we're gonna add the rice. We're gonna put it on high heat and just leave it there, mix it a bit, and we're gonna wait about 10-15 minutes. It really just depends how much rice you're making. You want to make sure it's undercooked. You don't want it to be fully cooked because then it's gonna get all mushy. We want it to be undercooked. When it's about ready, we need to drain it and wash it with cold water. Just rinse it and we're gonna put it aside. Now we're going to make the chicken part of the biryani. I'm just adding some oil. I used canola oil. You can use any kind of oil you want. We're gonna add the onions, garlic, and ginger. You can also add the tomatoes right now. I normally would, but I didn't have them at the moment. They came later, so I did add them later. But if you have them, add them now, please. It's just one less step, basically. I'm just sauteing the onions about 10 to 15 minutes, adding a little bit of water, making sure they don't stick to the bottom. They're gonna be nice and soft, and then we'll be ready to add the chicken. These are the spices we're going to use, the Shan masala, and then that's paprika. I only like Bombay and Sindhi. You can always add less if you want it to be less spicy, because this is pretty spicy. Like, I had to add plain yogurt. It was really spicy. So this is what you want the onions to look like. You can use any onions you want, white, yellow, red. We just had red. So we're going to add the chicken, boneless, cut into small pieces. I like them pretty small because I like them when they get a little bit shredded and mixed in with the rice. It's very good. I feel like next time I probably wouldn't add that much of the masala packets, maybe like 2/3 of each one, because it was very spicy. So we just want to make sure the chicken is bhuned, which I don't even know how to say it in English. I'm sorry, you guys. Maybe just saute it on high heat. Just so it turns white. It's not going to be fully cooked, but it's going to be hardened basically, so it's not going to look like it's raw. As you can see, I'm just mixing it. You can go ham in mixing if you want. It's okay if the pieces break apart because it's boneless chicken and you don't have to worry about bones, thank God. So I'm just adding the masala. Shan, we love Shan masala. Those are the only ones we ever use. Shan people, please sponsor me. I'm so down for it. So that's just the Shan masala, and then a teaspoon of paprika just to give it some color. Just gonna thoroughly mix it in with the meat. After mixing it very well, we're gonna put it on low medium heat, cover it, and just leave it, since we need to have the chicken to be fully cooked. That's what it's gonna look like about 15 minutes, or not even, like 5-10 minutes after. I just uncovered it and mixed it a little bit. It's not cooked yet. It's about 10-15 minutes in. I needed to add the tomatoes, so that's what I'm gonna do next. Just gonna mix it a little more, and I chopped about 4 to 5 of the small ones. I think they're called the Roma tomatoes. Just mix it in there. We're gonna cover it for the rest of the 25 minutes, so 10 more minutes, and the tomatoes are gonna be really nicely mixed in, and it's gonna create a very nice gravy. It's been about 25 minutes that the chicken has been cooking. The tomatoes are nicely blended in with the chicken. It's nice gravy. We're just gonna mix it. It's also called bhuning, which is like sauteing it after, just releasing any waters that could possibly still be in there. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rice. We did boil a little extra, so we did set some aside. We added as much as we think we might have needed. The more rice you add, the less spicy it will be, because the chicken is supposed to be a little extra spicy when you make it. And then less chicken will be in every bite, basically. We like to have chicken in every bite, so we didn't add all of the rice. After adding the rice into the chicken, we're going to gently mix it. You have to be very gentle at this process. As you can see, it's a little sped up, so it looks like she's going crazy, but that's my sister-in-law, by the way. It's not me mixing. That's what I'm saying, she. You just have to be very gentle doing it, because you don't want your rice to get mushy. And we're just gonna garnish it before we put it on low heat. We're gonna put a little bit of slices of lime. You can put lemon, it doesn't really matter. That's food coloring. You can do liquid, it really doesn't matter. We're just gonna sprinkle that on top. We're gonna add some cilantro. We're gonna put it on low heat. We're gonna cover it for about 10 minutes. And all the spices and everything is just gonna get nicely mixed in with the rice, and it's just gonna be bomb.com. It's been 10 minutes that it's been on dum. That's what we like to call this process. We're gonna gently mix it all together. Make sure it's the color of the rice, the food coloring of the rice is nicely mixed in, and it's ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was my first one. Let me know if you guys want to see more. Let me know if you tried this recipe. It was very easy. I hope it was easy. Let me know what you guys liked and did not like. This is the first time he's going to eat biryani that I made. This is my brother. Okay, come on.
I like a lot of the Okay.
Okay.
Don't judge me.
Your honest opinion, 100%. We did mess up a little bit, but. I can hear you, Shu. Mukbang. So, can you tell me? Can you tell me how you like it? You're just eating. Hello, I'm asking you for your review. You're just sitting there eating. I'm hoping he likes it because he won't say anything.
As I'm eating it, that means I like it.
Well, I need a response, please.
It's good. I like it. Nice and spicy.
It's good? You recommend it?
I recommend it 100%.